If you're thinking about selling your real estate note, there are four mistakes that could cost you thousands of dollars. I've seen it happen over and over again. I'm Phil Gorman. I've spent over 40 years buying and selling real estate notes, and I've been on both sides of these transactions. So I know exactly where sellers leave money on the table. And today I'm going to make sure that doesn't happen to you. Let's talk about these costly mistakes and how you can avoid them. Mistake number one, taking the first offer you receive. I had a client whose wife needed emergency surgery. He was desperate for cash and was about to accept the first offer he got. A friend referred him to me just in time. One look at that offer and I knew it was a classic low ball. We repackaged his note, marketed it to multiple investors, and he walked away with significantly more money. The lesson? The first offer is rarely the best offer. Always get a second opinion, folks. Say in ka. Mistake number two, assuming you have to sell the whole note. This is one of the biggest misconceptions I see. Most sellers don't even know partial sales exist. You may only need a portion of the cash your note represents. A partial sale lets you get the money you need today while keeping future payments for yourself. Mistake number three, poor record keeping. I worked with a seller who collected payments on a handshake. When he went to sell, there was a discrepancy between what he said was owed and what the borrower claimed. With no proof, he had no leverage. He ended up taking a much larger discount than he should have. A professional loan servicer costs very little and protects you from this exact problem. Mistake number four, ignoring the paperwork. Missing documentation will either kill your deal or drastically reduce your offer. Buyers see these as red flags and either walk away or lowball you. Here's the truth. Most people who lose money selling their note didn't do anything wrong. They just didn't have the right information going in. Now you do. If you'd like to go even deeper, I've put together a free report. 5 insider tips to maximize the value of your trust deed note. Grab it at the link below. No cost, no obligation. I'm Phil Gorman. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.